So, what is ShadowSocks? ShadowSocks is a secure proxy based on SOCKS 5. As an example, using ShadowSocks, you can reroute your server to a server from an unblocked location to access blocked websites. How does ShadowSocks work? The ShadowSocks instance acts as a proxy service to clients. It uses a process of encrypting and forwarding data or packets from the client to the remote server, which will decrypt the data and forward to the target. A reply from the target will also be encrypted and sent by SS Remote back to the client. ShadowSocks SOCKS 5 proxy use cases. The ShadowSocks SOCKS 5 proxy can support hundreds to thousands of concurrent users, and you can quickly swap between all available AWS regions. Here are some use cases. Market research. Access foreign or competitors' websites that may have blocked your location or IP address. Cybersecurity. Reconnaissance or OSINT investigation work. Evade censorship restrictions. Have access to websites or other information that has been censored by your country. Access restricted services or media that is available in other countries. Be able to purchase services or stream media that is only available in other locations. Internet privacy. Using a proxy server will hide your true location and identity. Thanks for tuning in to learn more about ShadowSocks. You can get a free trial of ShadowSocks certified by Hailbytes today on the AWS Marketplace.